Well, good bloody afternoon. Hey Pip, off on another one. Gonna head down towards another HipCamp. Gonna go to Low Brook Dam, and there's a little place down there which is on the bottom of the wall of the dam, and it's called Dougys Retreat. Just getting my lunch ready. Stick him in there. I'm only going to have one. Pippi doesn't like the potato ones. These are worth buying, eh? These travel ovens. I'm going to put that over there. And I'll just change my time-lapse camera view. Might stick him up on the camper. And hit the road again. Looking forward to this place. Wait till I get there, I'll show it to you. It looks mint on the photos. Hey, I'll just show you this. This is a little travel water container. Hey Pip, do you want a drink, mate? Here, look. Want some water? No? So the idea is, if they don't drink it all, flick that little switch and it drains straight back into the container. So you save your water. How good is that? Alright, I'll see you when we get there. Well, this is a nice surprise. Oh, how good is this? Cooker, table and chairs, bit more water down there. Oh, this place just keeps giving. Sink. You know what that is? This is bloody mint. What do you reckon, Pip? It's pretty good, eh? Hey? Couple of nice chairs. Okay, going, eh? This is down to the spa bath. Old mate did tell me that the rocks are really slippery, and the only way to get back in or get into the water is to Basically crab walk. Wow. Couple of steps. He's just cut stairs out of the hill here. Look at that. Umbrella. Oh yeah, you can see the crane on there. Oh, and that's the path. Well, it's about 6:30 and I've just been sitting around enjoying the place. Went for a bit of a walk. Took the little Neo drone out. He followed me along, that was pretty cool. Had some rain. All the frogs are chirping now. Red-tailed cockatoos have cruised through, they're still coming through. I'm not really hungry because I've been grazing on sweet chili cheese and biscuits and watermelon, rock melon and pineapple. So it's a little bit wet. It's good, I like the sound of the rain. So it might be an early one for me tonight. Oh, I just got splashed. And we'll pick this up in the morning. What do you reckon, Pip? Hey, have an early one tonight? I should have parked the camper under here. Yeah, alright. I'll see you in the morning. Good bloody coffee morning. What an awesome place to have a coffee, eh? Very nice. Had a good sleep. It's about 7 o'clock now. I actually slept in, so that's unreal. Rare for me. What do you reckon, Pip? Pretty good, eh? Today I'm going to mellow out. There's a another little 2 sections of this stream that's on the property. I think one's called the Spa and one's called, I don't know, something else. Can't remember. Go and check that out. I'm going to enjoy it. The sun's up today, so hopefully the rain's gone. We had some rain yesterday and then in the evening. Sun didn't go down till about 8 o'clock. Pretty much went to bed after that. Heaps of birds, red-tailed cockatoos, heaps of kookaburras, wrens. Just an unreal spot. Like I showed you before, there's toilets and all that there, so again, if you're a family new to camping, this is the place to come. And there's only one bay as well, so it'll just be you or whoever comes with you. Good. Alright, I'll yarn to you later on during the day. Stop recording. Good bloody beer afternoon. I pretty much mellowed out all day. Just enjoying the scenery. I went for a couple of walks. I haven't been to the dam yet, so I'll go there tomorrow. I'm going to pack up and leave, and I'll do a drive-by and I'll have a look. I'm just getting dinner ready. Got my chicken mignons and my potato gratins, and I've got a bucket load of veggies. And when the meat is ready, I'll throw my broccolini on top. You've seen this before. Had an awesome day. Just up the road from us, or me, is a little gazebo that you can sit down to. It's got a table and all that, so I spent a bit of time there, didn't film it. This is our little jetty, isn't it, poo-poo? Hey? That's pretty bloody good. It's so tranquil here. Again, if you're new to camping, everything else has got a flushing loo. It's the only campsite here, so there'll only be you or whoever you invite. I recommend it, eh? And it'll be a good base camp to sort of check out Lowbrook Dam and everything else too. So, and you're not stuck with 10,000 other people. Pretty much me for today. Beer. Good bloody beer afternoon. I'll show you when dinner's served, and I'll see you in the morning to say goodbye. All good. Not my best effort, but we got what's left of my potato gratin. I'll just put some pine nuts on there for a bit of sexy, and I'll just put a little bit of cheese on what's left of my potato and on my chicken mignon, and a little bit on the veggies, and that's it. Job done. Awesome. I'll see you in the morning. I'm done. Cheers. Well, good bloody morning. Morning, Pip. All packed up, ready to go. I'm just leaving now. It's been an awesome camp. I've really enjoyed it. The scenery, the wildlife, the birds, the flushing loo. Bit of a roly-poly little track coming down. The track's quite steep coming down. It's alright though. Can't get a caravan in here. Oh, you can if you're game. But camper, trailers and everything else, awesome. swags. Again, if you're new to camping, there's a flushing loo, there's everything here. Oh fuck, sorry. Old mate's not out. Cheers, mate. Yeah, a bit of a tight track getting out, but we'll be all good. Car's full of leaves. Oh shit. And that's a hard bit done. Alright, the sun's in my eyes, are about to be. I'll see you next time. Cheers for watching. Cheers to all the new subscribers. And that's it. I've got about, I don't know, 2-hour drive home. Yeah, we'll grab a coffee along the way. Until next time.